Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your credit card to a YNAB. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. To start, click on Login. Now log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Add Account. Click on Add Account. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Linked. Click on Linked. Next, click on Add Connection. Also, select where your most important bank is located. If it's from United States or Canada, click on North America. If it's located on United Kingdom or in selected European countries, click on Europe. It will then show that a YNAB uses Plaid to connect your account. To continue, click on Agree. To log in with Plaid, enter your phone number. However, if you don't have an account yet or you'd like to skip the login, click on Maybe Later. After that, select the institution of your account that you want to add. You may use the search bar to easily find the particular institution. Now enter your account credentials. Then click on Submit. Before you proceed, verify your identity using the CAPTCHA verification. Also, the selected institution would verify your identity. Select how you'd like to receive a verification code. Then click on Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Once verified, click again on Continue. Here, select all the accounts you wish to add. In this case, we only have one account. Click on Select All. Then click on Next. And now your bank account has been added. That's how you connect your bank account to a YNAB. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.